Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to another video. I hope that you guys are all staying safe and healthy during this quarantine. I know it is such a hard, horrible time and I'm praying for each and every one of you here today. With the quarantine happening now, I know that a lot of people struggling with mental health are probably struggling a lot more, and I just wanted to give a quick reminder to you guys that I'm here at any time, any time that you guys need me. Just please don't hesitate to reach out, because I do want to be here for you guys. I would rather you guys text me, wake me up at 4 in the morning than to wake up the next day and hear that you're not here. Your lives are very important and you're needed and you matter in this world, so just keep that in mind during this quarantine. Again, I haven't posted in a month because I'm a fucking piece of shit, but hello, how are you guys? I just wanted to check in because I've missed you guys so fucking much. I've made a few videos that I've edited and I haven't posted. I talk about this a lot. You guys know by now, I'm insecure. Don't know what for. Just don't know what to post sometimes. I just get in my head about it. So recently, because of the fucking quarantine, I've been on TikTok like non-stop. And I like swore to myself before this that I would not get TikTok because I didn't want to get addicted, but here we are. And after watching like hours worth of fucking TikTok, I came across this coffee. It's called like a whipped coffee. I don't know. I'll insert some pictures here. You guys have probably seen it on TikTok, but yeah. So that looks fucking delicious. That is supposed to be like better than Starbucks coffee or Tim Hortons coffee. Since I can't really afford to be going out every day to Starbucks and getting myself an iced coffee, I decided that I would try to make this with you guys at home. You know, maybe give us a little time to bond, you know, put on some fucking comfy clothes, get a snack, get your ingredients with me and make some homemade coffee, and we'll see how it is. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna make some coffee, we're gonna have some fucking fun. Okay, so sit your ass down. Firstly, I'm gonna tell you guys the ingredients that you need. It's super simple, super easy. The ingredients you will need are instant coffee. I'm using the Great Value brand from fucking Walmart. It works the same as any other instant coffee, but it has to be instant coffee. Next ingredient you'll need is some sugar. You will also need a little bit of boiling water, 2 tablespoons, so just a little bit. And the very last ingredient you will need to make this is just some white milk, or like almond milk, or whatever milk you drink, 2%, 1%. I don't give a fuck what kind of milk you use. An optional ingredient that you can use is some Baileys. If you are over 18, then go for it. If you are not, then do not put in any alcohol, thank you. So this is gonna be my first time doing this. I don't really know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna hope. It says that you should be mixing it in a bowl, but for like YouTube purposes, I'm gonna put it in a clear little glass thingy so that you guys can see what it looks like. You will also need a teaspoon. This is a tablespoon. I meant a tablespoon. And you will also need a whisk because you do need to whisk it all together. For your first step, it says that you take the instant coffee and 2 tablespoons of it and sauce it into whatever bowl you're using to mix. So the next step is the sugar. It said to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, but in my personal opinion, that's a fuck ton of sugar. So I'll probably do like 1 or 1.5, but it's completely up to you. 1.5 is still a fuck ton, but like, you know. Then last but not least, you take your boiling water and you will oh shit, that shit's leaking. And you add it to the mixture. You take 1 more tablespoon and add it to your mixture. And then it says all you need to do is whisk it all together for 2 minutes. I'm gonna add a little bit more sugar because it's not as thick. Okay, so for some reason this doesn't look as like whipped as it's supposed to look. All right, so once you're done mixing all of the ingredients together, you should have something that looks like shit. Smells really fucking good though, not gonna lie. So next you grab a few ice cubes, depending on if you want it iced or hot. You can either choose to like steam the milk, you know, make it warm, whatever, or you can choose to have it on ice, like an iced coffee. That's what I'm gonna do because I like my iced coffee. So I put some ice in mine because, like I said, my iced coffee. I would say to fill more than half of the glass with milk if your glass is really tall. I fill mine to about there. Then you grab a spoon and you just start kind of spooning the mixture on top of the milk. Okay, so not gonna lie, I don't don't know if this is how it was supposed to turn out. I've seen like all the TikToks and like pictures, and it looks like a lot different than what mine looks like. But we're still gonna give it a little mix, and we're gonna see if it still tastes good despite looking fucking ugly. So I mixed it all together and it's looking literally like an iced coffee now. So I'm just gonna take my first sip and let you guys know how it tastes. Oh my god. Guys, I shit you not, this literally tastes like Tim Hortons iced coffee. I have fucking coffee on my hands. Oh my god. Guys, honestly, didn't really think looking at it that it would taste good because, you know, it's like homemade and it just had like 2 or 3 ingredients. So I was like, how can it be that good? But look at that. Bitch, I should just work at Starbucks. Oh my god, fuck me up. Oof. Oh. Although I feel like, just a warning, I feel like this is gonna make me shit my fucking pants later. Very good, very tasty, very easy and fast, but I just have a feeling it's gonna fuck me up. I'm not gonna sleep tonight. So yeah, I mean, it didn't exactly look how it was supposed to, but it tasted how it was supposed to. I'm actually obsessed. I hope my tutorial was some sort of help to you guys. Wasn't really a tutorial, I just thought, hey, I really wanna try this coffee, and I bet you guys probably do too. Life hack, balling on a budget, fucking lunchtime with Alyssa. You want your $6 coffee from Starbucks? No, bitch. Come over to Alyssa's house. Get yourself a broke bitch coffee. So guys, at the end of the day, I would probably give that coffee like literally a 10 out of 10. I feel like I'm already fucking wired. So that's how you make the TikTok coffee. It was so good. I hope you guys made it with me. Let me know in the comments below if you made it and if you like it. That is like homemade Tim Hortons right there. So if you guys would like to see me try some more TikTok trends or just trends in general, I guess, please let me know in the comments below. I've been dying to hear your guys' comments and thoughts. I miss talking to you guys. I miss interacting with you guys. Give some comments, some likes, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you for coming along and watching. Hopefully your whipped coffee looks a bit better than mine. Thank you so much for being a part of my happiness and being a part of my world. I pray that God blesses you. I love you guys with all my heart. I hope you have a great day, evening, morning, afternoon, night, and yeah, bye.